Well, hello everybody. My name is Roger and welcome to Roger Talks Tech. And welcome to Lightroom Thursday, where every Thursday I discuss a new Lightroom tip or technique. So here in the Develop module in the left pane is the Snapshots panel. From here, you can save a snapshot of your Develop module settings for an image at a particular point in time, so that you can easily and quickly go back to it later. So if you know that you want to experiment a bit with some settings, you may want to take a snapshot of the current image state first. This way you can always return to that version of the image by clicking the snapshot state in the Snapshots panel. What's nice is that you can save as many snapshots as you like. So I have this image of the squirrel selected here. So to create a new snapshot, I click the plus icon here on the right corner of the Snapshots panel, and that displays the new snapshot dialog. So now I need to type in a name for my snapshot. So I think I'll call this Before Basic Adjustment. And I will click Create. And that creates a new snapshot, which now displays in the Snapshots panel here on the left. Okay, so let's make some image adjustments. So I'm going to drag my temp slider to the left to maybe about there, about -22. And I'll drag my tint slider to the left as well to about -26. So let's say I modified the exposure of this, added some highlights, changed the saturation. So then I decided I really don't like any of these changes and want to go back to my original image state. So all I need to do is open my Snapshots panel here and then click the Before Basic Adjustment, and voila, I've returned to the original state of my image. So using snapshots, you can feel free to experiment all you like, knowing that at any time you can jump back to the original state of the image.